Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through several ways to fix Roblox ping spikes. If you've ever had Roblox suddenly freeze or your ping shoot up into the thousands while everything else on your internet works fine, yeah, don't worry. I'll show you step by step what you can do. First, make sure nothing else is eating up your bandwidth. If you're downloading a game on Steam or Windows is updating in the background, Roblox will lag. Just pause those downloads before launching Roblox and see if your ping stabilizes. Next, check your internet connection. If your speed is low, like under 20 megabits per second, even a single background app can cause spikes. You can quickly test your speed with any browser speed test tool. Sometimes it's as simple as being connected to the wrong network. Just click the Wi-Fi icon and make sure you're on the fastest and strongest signal. And honestly, if you can, switch to Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. It's way more stable. Now, even if you're not downloading anything, some apps might still be using bandwidth. Open Task Manager with Control, Shift, Escape, and sort by network usage. If you see a browser or some random software hogging bandwidth, close it. Another method is changing your DNS. Go into Control Panel, Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. Pick your active connection, open Properties, and under IPv4, switch from automatic DNS to Google's. Use 8.8.8.8 and for the alternate 8.8.4.4. Try that out and see if it helps. This one sounds too simple, but restarting helps a lot. Reboot your PC if it's been running for days and restart your router as well. It clears memory, resets your connection, and honestly fixes more issues than you'd think. Now here's the thing, if the issue is only happening on Roblox, it could be Roblox servers themselves. Sometimes ping spikes are just Roblox being buggy, or because of where their servers are located. In that case, you just need to wait it out or maybe play at a different time. If none of these worked, run a quick virus or malware scan. Sometimes background malware is what's eating your connection. Windows security or any antivirus should do the trick. And that's it. Try these fixes and you should notice Roblox running smoother with fewer ping spikes. If the issue keeps coming back, it's most likely Roblox itself, not your PC. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.